Man, work today sucks, man. Good to be home. Keep the furniture. Hate the ass apartment. Thirsty. What's up, Chad?
Good.
How's it going, man?
You home from work?
Yeah, man.
Good.
Yeah, you got Gatorade?
Yeah.
Okay, man. See ya.
See you, man.
You'll see ya, man.
Yeah.
I always wonder why the hell you live in my fridge.
You have no AC, my friend.
Oh, yeah.
See you, man.
You gonna start paying rent anytime soon? So what we're doing is throwing a water bottle at each other's nuts. Go. Ready? Quit blocking it.
Come on, baby. I'm so hot.
It's so scary. Hey. What's wrong, Chad? You what?